Hey guys, I'm back, and I bought a gun yesterday. I didn't make a video. I'm sorry, and here it is. I only found a little bit of ammo. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay, look it. I'm gonna try to shoot something right now. I'm in my backyard trying to shoot. I'm gonna shoot something. Okay, ready, set, go. Look, and it fell down. I don't know if you saw it, but it fell down really high. See? Okay, wait, hold on. Okay, look how far it goes. Look. See? Okay, let's try something else. Okay, we're gonna try one more time. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe.